Welcome to this video where I will be changing this raggedy old Jeep top right here into this. Look at that. It's looking crispy. I might keep it. Just kidding. But this is the video on how to do that. Let's get into it. Alright, welcome. We're going to be switching the Jeep top off of the Jeep with this. The link is in the bio. It's from Amazon. But it's from Smittybilt. I've never done this before, but we're planning on selling the Jeep, so we need to replace the top because it's just been destroyed, basically. So hopefully this is the right top. Also, see the addition? Go check out the whole series if you're interested in how I built this addition over the summer. Last summer, not supposed to be another summer. It was a lot of fun. Back to this video. Installation instructions. Okay, seems pretty straightforward. It's gotta take off the old top, which I'll show here in a second. I just wanted to open this up to make sure it's the right side. I don't even know how to check this. How does this have the windows on it? Oh wow, this looks bigger. Oh, that's the back. That's the back, that's good. This looks like it fits. I'm gonna go check it real quick. Okay, it looks like it fits, so we are going to get it going. Alrighty, now got the Jeep here. This Jeep, 2006 Jeep Wrangler. Had it since high school. Shout out parents for snagging it for me and my brothers, but technically for me, because I stole it. So we're gonna take this bad boy completely off. Also, it's been like multiple years since I've taken this off. As you can see here, it's just real bad. Like I said, this top, since we got it, 2008, something like that, it's been sitting outside. I think I had it in the garage for like a few days here at this house, in that garage, but since we were building all this stuff, I needed the garage space. It's lasted like 12 years, which is pretty 12 years? 2008 to 2023. It's 15 years. Is that long? Maybe I can't do math. Let me know in the comments. Damn. Hate this. I love this Jeep when the top is down. Looks so sick. Alright, so we gotta do, gotta take out some screws on the top here. Make sure you don't lose the screws. I'm not sure how to get this off. Found more screws here on the back. If you look on the underside of this, here, right here, there's a thing here. I'm guessing there's one on the other side too. Oh, there's another one here too. Goodness. Oh, there's a lot of screws. Should I just get my drill? Yes. Acquired. There we go. Got all of them out. Now it's this last thing. Wow, there she goes. That's the trash. Now for the new stuff. Alright, the directions are a little confusing, so I'm just throwing mine over like this and then gonna reinstall it basically the same way I took it off. And look who showed up. Hello.
Hello to all my fans.
To your OnlyFans.
Huh? And just like lift it over.
I think this is not, it's gotta be like, something's gotta be wrong with it, right?
No.
Is this how, it wasn't like this, I don't know.
I think that's it.
Alright, this is confusing me, but somehow it's tucked under, so I'm gonna try a couple and see where it gets me. But if it's not correct, then that's annoying. Ooh. Ah, my stomach. So those are all locked back in the way that I took them out. So I think I can flip it over now. My wife is smacking the windows, trying to kill some flies. But yeah, let's get this up. It's in here that I took down earlier that I am now securing. Trying to secure. Ow! I think I might have cracked the console a little bit. Alright, let's see if we can get inside here. You see that? You see that? Alright, get the top on here. Not too, I didn't put it all the way tight, just clipped it on there. And let's see, the front's looking good. Look, you see the front right there? Right there? That was not my wife smacking, that was Xander smacking. But the top there, all secured down. Alrighty. Looking on up. I got the back here. Just gotta clip these bad boys in. Alright, so we got that there. Next next would be the windows, I guess. No, if you've never done this before, leave these little flaps here off until you get the window on. Oh, zipper, very nice. Very nice zipper. Alright, let's see. Move this thing around a little bit. Close the first latch on this side of the Jeep to get this a little bit more tight on this side. And then I'm going to do this window here. The trick with this thing is like it has to fit in the channel, so you got to kind of feed it in there like that. Bring it over. Bring it over here. Yeah, fits fine. Let's do this window real quick. Like I was mentioning, the channels. Here's the channel on the window, like that. And that fits in the creases on the Jeep. Than the previous one. The other one was so tight, like it was like hard to get on and off. This one's pretty good. The last thing on here is the this bad boy. So there's two here, which is what I was struggling with getting it off. But see that? That was pretty easy. And then you got the Velcro here. Kaboom, kaboom. That's looking fire. Might have to keep this Jeep now. We still got the back to do, which I'll do in a second. But let's get this one on too. Clip in. It's clipped in. Velcroed in there. There. Alright, that works. You see here? It's a little bit more material, so it fits. It fits a little bit looser, but look at that. Money. All right, now for the back here. Before we continue, make sure you hit the subscribe. Go check out the home renovation. We're about to sell this house. I'll tell you how much we put into it, how much we made. Hopefully 200K each. So yeah, also leave me a comment. Let me know what's up. Let's get back in the video. Alrighty, for the back here. Okay. Need some directions help. But look, you gotta push it all the way down here. Kind of hard to see up there. You gotta push it all the way down to there, or you won't be able to fit this piece into there. Alright, I got it now. two pieces in together, zip it all the way up. Some way that I can't remember. That's right. Alrighty, look at that. Your money. Alrighty, we got the Jeep top on, looking good. Got to clean it up now. Take it to the washer, you know. Throw away this trash. But thank y'all for watching. Let me know if y'all have any questions. Overall, pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Fits great, a little bit big, but fits perfect. Great price, and link in the bio if you want to snag it. So thank you for watching. Subscribe. See y'all out there. See y'all later. And I'll see y'all out there. Bye.